Okay, algebra geometry students, we are talking about measures of central tendency. All right, so I'm going to write that on the top here. Measures of central tendency. All right. Now, this is basic statistics, okay? We're going to get into little statistics. We're not going to go very deep, but it is a very applicable subject, a very useful subject. We do need to cover a little bit of it. So first step, let's talk about mean, okay? So this is mean. You can write mean here. That's what we're talking about, all right? So for mean, you want to think average. Average, all right? Now to find the mean, okay, you are going to add all the values, all right? Then you are going to divide by the number of values. All right. So our example problem. Now this was meant to be a foldable, but we're just going to put it in our 3-ring binder. So these are the values that we're going to use. Okay, so we're going to write all these values down in this little box right here, and that's the example we're going to use. Okay. So if you copy those values down and add them all up, all right, you're going to get 744. All right, and then the mean is simply 744 divided by the total number of numbers that there are, which is 8. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 numbers, and that gives us our average, which is 93. Okay, next is median. Okay, so let's write median here. All right. Now this is on the back here, so that's where this is coming from. This was meant to be a foldable, but we'll make it work as a 3-hole punch notes. Okay, so median, we're going to think middle. All right. And what we're going to do is put the numbers in order from least to greatest. And we're going to mark off the high values and the low values until we reach the middle. And if there are 2 middles, we're going to add them and divide by 2. Sometimes there's going to be 2 middles and we do have to add and divide them by 2. So the first step is to arrange the numbers. Take these numbers that we had on the other side here, and we need to arrange them from least to greatest. All right? So 83 is going to be the smallest one. And we're going to go ahead and arrange those. So we have 83, and then 86 is the next biggest one, and then 91, and then 92, and then 94, and then 99. 99 appears twice, and then 100. Okay. Now, so what we're going to do is start crossing these off. So if I cross off the smallest one, all right, then I want to cross off the biggest one, and then the second smallest and the second biggest, and then the third smallest and the third biggest. And then now we're down to 2. So when there's 2, we do have to add them and divide by 2. So we're basically finding the average of the middle now. So 92 plus 94 divided by 2 is what we have to do, okay? Which gives us 186 over 2, which is 93. So the median here for this data set is 93. Okay, let's try the next one. The next one is the mode. Okay, so let's write mode here. And we want to think for mode, we want to think most. Most is the key word we're thinking about there. All right, we're going to put the numbers in order again from least to greatest. We're going to find the number that occurs the most. And there may be more than one mode, and there may be no mode as well. Okay, so there can be more than one mode, so do pay attention to if you have numbers that are repeating. So let's go ahead and write these numbers out, same as we did last time, in order: 83, 86, 91, 92, 94, 99, 99, and 100. Okay, so we're looking for the number that occurs the most. So we put them in order, and we're just looking for ones that, there's 99. Okay, 99 occurs twice. No other number occurs twice, so our mode is 99. Okay, the last thing we want to talk about here is the range. All right, so let's write range here. That's what we're doing. All right. Now range, we want to think the difference between the top and the bottom. All right. So we're going to put the numbers in order from least to greatest, and we're going to subtract the lowest number from the highest number. All right. So they're in order up above here, so I'm just going to use it right up here. We're going to subtract the lowest number from the highest number. So that's 100 minus 83. And that gives us our range, which is 17. So the range is pretty easy to find. Just put them in order, take the highest minus the lowest. Okay, so what we're going to do next is a worksheet. All right, an activity rather. This activity is called Measures of Central Mad Lib Recording Sheet. Okay, so hopefully this is somewhat fun. But basically what you're going to do is this is your answer sheet, the first page, so you can rip this off if you want. The second page is where your problems start. Okay, so the first problem says the weighs in pounds of 7 students are shown below. The weights in pounds of 7 students are shown below. Okay, what is the median? All right, so once again, you want to follow your notes now that we just took, and you know if you're talking about median, okay, you're looking for the middle, and you're going to have to put these numbers in order, and you're going to have to count across and find the middle. So that's exactly what we're doing here. Put the numbers in order. So copy the numbers down on box 1 and put them in order, count down to the middle and find the median. And when you find the median, that is your answer, right? That goes on your answer sheet here. Fill in the Mad Lib with the answer. So whatever you get for number 1, that word goes there. All right, and you're going to fill this out, and that is your activity. All right, good luck. I hope it goes well. And I hope you have a fantastic day.